It's 500 years in the future. Mankind's buggered off. And the only one left to clean everything up is Wally. However, there is a problem. Wally's not working. So we need to fix him. Can we get Wally back to life so he can carry on his work? Or is he fit for the trash heap? This is the questions we got to ask on this week's episode of Fix It Eat. So we got Wally. Do you know what? I bought this just because it was broke, but I actually really like it. It's, just got rubber tracks and everything. It's excellent. Switch is here. On, off, on, off. There's no batteries in it at the moment, but we'll have a look at that now. So, without further ado, let's get together and feel alright. Don't know where that came from, but there we are. Just knocked my fan over. Always a good start. Right. They do not look great, do they? Let's get my tweezers of dreams. How crusty that is. Oh, God. I wonder if that's simply that is the problem. This one's not good. This one's not very good either. None of them are really great. Let's put some batteries in and see where we are. Batteries, come on. Right, so the batteries are in. Let's turn it upside down and have a look. Nope, nothing. To be honest with you, I don't know what he is meant to do. It says here, I'm a thinking toy. Don't know what that means. Made in China. Patent pending on a Wally. Well, he's definitely not working. So we're going to have to take him apart. And there seems to be a mixture of screws on it. By here we got the safety screws, the triangles, look. And everywhere else we seem to have crossheads. Very strange. But let's take a look. I'm going to have a look behind this panel first, because I'm intrigued why that's got them screws. This one? Yes. It's similar to the, but bigger, but similar in shape to the ones on a DS. I think they are anyway. Everyone's shouting, no they're not, you're full of shit. Well, there's nothing new there. It's always one. Always one. Right. What's that doing? Oh, wait there. Ah, right, okay. Whoa! Right, for a start, you see the corrosion there? It's falling in by her. You can see it. Here. See if I can grab her. Huh. Lovely. Dropped it again. I don't know, I think this might have been parked in the ocean at some point while he's been going for a swim, by the looks of things. Right, this is the on and off switch. So we'll take that off and have a look at the back of there. We're going to have to clean these battery terminals up, something chronic. Or replace them. I might replace them. We'll have a look. Let's do our first. So let's take the switch out. Oh, wait there. It's not a switch. Where's the switch? Oh, switch is under here, isn't it? So what's that? It's a sensor of sorts. It's very corroded. Oh, look. If anyone's wondering, that is glue. I've been doing something else and I got my hands all glued up and then it got stuck to the bottle. This is hence this pattern. Right, so we need to really have a look at this. Let's get that out a sec. Have a look at this battery compartment because it's rotten. So I'm going to move Wally over there a minute. Problem is, it's hard to tell what's actually dirt, real dirt, or what's part of Wally's design. Because he's meant to be dirty. The dirty sod. Right. Here we are. See if these are any good. Or not. Depends which ones are connected to which, doesn't it? So, positive comes in here. Positive comes in here. Down to negative. Over to positive. Down to negative, over to positive. So, this one and this one shouldn't be connected. And the rest are, I think. The easiest way to tell is with the multimeter of dreams. Oh, there's no continuity there. Oh there. Oh there. Oh there. That can't be right. It's because I'm on ohms. For the love of God. Subscribe for some quality content. For a dick who can't even put the multimeter on the right place. Right, so try again. And still nothing. Right, these two are. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I am right, didn't I? See, I said nothing. So this and this are the ends. Input and output. So these two will be connected and these two will be connected. Yeah, well, if you can get past the muck. But they are connected. They are there. Right, cool. So,
a few moments later.
whew. Seen better days, haven't they? Oh, look at that mess. Let's give them a clean. Let's give all this a clean. Let's get this one now. And slide it in. Here we are. Lovely. Just the rest of them to do now.
More moments later.
How much better is that? Right, I've had a quick little clean. Look at how bad these were. Look at the state on them. So, Wally here. I wonder if that was the issue. I'm going to have to take some of this wire back. Oh, it's brittle. Oh my god. It is brittle. Oh, for God's sake. Try a different approach. It's better. It's better when it isn't. Watched a documentary last night on how the Titanic was held together. It was riveting. Right. Let's move this out the way. Let's move this out the way. Let's open the window. Move the IPA. Let's get some solder on the door with it. Just going to rough these up a little bit. Give it more of a key for the solder to latch onto. Put my fan on. Nice. We like it. Oh, cracking. Cracking! Loved it. Right, now we've got to get Wally over here. Don't even know if this is the problem yet. But it needed to be done. Needed to be done regardless. So, get out of the way, you silly, silly boy. That one goes here. Oh, let's tin these up first. Right. So it goes. at that mess on him. Can anyone see what I've done? Yeah. What a cock. Dickhead. Hey! What's he doing? Is that it? Oh. So, just to give you a bit of honest insight, even though he's working, from a switching on and switching off standpoint, he is supposed to move. However, I have stripped all the gears down in the mechanism and everything. And I'll show a little bit of a clip of it here. I'm not going to show the whole thing as part of the video because, to be perfectly honest with you, it would bore you to tears. But what's happening is so much wear in the gears that every time they move, they instead of the gears, like, say, moving like that, the old mechanism, everywhere it's mounted is moving because there's just so much play in it, and there's nothing I can do about that. So it's a partial fix. It's not working as it was when it's new, but it's because it's worn out, essentially. So it's a nice little trinket to look at. You get the electronic sounds back and everything, but the movement is sadly no more, in a sense of the gears just jam up and there's nothing you can do about it. The cogs just jam up. So anyway, that's Wally. So we'll call it a partial fix. Not perfect, but at least there's a little bit of life there and enough for it to sit on a shelf and be cool. So thanks for watching. Until next time, ta-ra!